How to do a streak or how to start and maintain a streak on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can start keeping a streak or how you can start a streak on Snapchat. Well, before getting into the video, let's understand what actually Snapchat streak is. Well, first things first, the Snapchat streak or Snapstreak is a feature that tracks how many consecutive days you and a friend have exchanged snaps on your Snapchat. Now, how you can start this streak? Well, if you simply open up Snapchat and send a snap to someone, right? So if I open up Snap here and take a snap right away and send it, then it'll start a streak right away. Once you start a streak, you'll be able to view the streak beside the name. As you can see on the screen here, I have 155 streak, 3 streak, 28 streak. So basically, if you don't want it to end and if you wish to continue for longer days, so you can see I have 155 days streak right here and the other one is 3. Now for 3, I have just started for the past 3 days, and for 155, it most probably is 155 days or higher. Now you'll have to send at least one snap, whether video or photo, to that particular friend that you wish to maintain the streak with, and they'll have to do it similarly. They'll have to send it back to you as well. If there is a gap in between, then your streak will be ended. You'll get free restores, 5 free restores for your Snap streak for a month. If that has ended, you'll have to get Snapchat Premium, or you'll have to buy it, purchase the streak recovery. So hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.